So I have obtained 500% growth on my LinkedIn posts impressions, and this is how I did it. So this is the only video which you need to see if you want to grow on LinkedIn, increase your impressions, increase your engagements, and if you want to build a meaningful community in this platform. So first of all, let me give you a disclaimer. What this video is not going to be about. This video is not going to be about what all the other creators or influencers try to say, that be consistent. Well, everyone knows that you have to be consistent in order to be successful in any platform. However, the main focus should be on your content, not consistency, because if you're focusing on consistency, your content may suck at some point. And if you're posting content each and every single day, it is not healthy for you in the long term. It may lead to burnout as well. So in this video, I'm going to talk about few points which are not usually discussed, and these points will help you grow on LinkedIn. The thing which you need to remember is that all the steps that I mentioned in this video, in order for you to grow, you need to comply with it at each and every single point. So if you miss any of these steps, you won't be able to see yourself grow on this platform. So stay tuned till the end of this video to reap the best benefits out of it. And if you're definitely new to my channel, do subscribe, as I promote educational content each and every single week, which will benefit you in several ways. So I started posting on LinkedIn 2 to 3 months back, but I was not consistent at it. So in the beginning, I used to get a very low amount of impressions and used to get 4 or 5 likes, sometimes 10 or 11 likes. The most determining factor over here is that I did not get too many comments over here, and that is the most important thing which you will understand in this strategy of mine which I'm going to implement. So you can see from the moment I started, from 2 weeks back when I first gave my journaling post, from then onward my impressions start to kick on. So I got 14 comments from that post, and then onwards on each and every single post I used to get 8 comments, 10 comments, 16 comments, and then finally you can see in these posts I got a lot of impressions, and I got 25 comments in this post, and the next post I got 43 comments, next post I got 21 comments, and the next post, and currently I have a post which has 46 comments. So the bottom line is, the secret behind getting a lot of impressions in LinkedIn is just one secret, and that is having a lot of comments and a lot of engagements in your post, because LinkedIn loves that. So now that you know that comments is the deciding factor for getting a lot of impressions on LinkedIn, I'm going to talk about how you can get that amount of comments or engagement in your post. First of all, you need to have connections who are like-minded, and those people who are willing to engage on your posts and who belong to a similar target niche which you are providing content for. How do you do that? Go over to your LinkedIn profile and see all those people who belong in your niche and are providing content in your niche, and see the comments of these people. Whenever you see these comments of these people are more likely to be the ones who will be part of your community. So you need to send out around 5 to 10 connection requests each and every single day to grow your community. So in order to do that, you can send requests tailor-made, such as this, which I'm about to show you right now. Hey Anirudham, I was just going through your profile and I'm pleased to find that we have similar target audiences and interests. I feel that connecting with like-minded people is a plus. Looking forward to learning and grow. So 8 times out of 10, the similar people will want to connect with you, because they also want to engage with your content, and they also want you to engage with your content. So it's like, once the first part is covered and you are sending 5 to 10 requests each and every single day, now comes the part where you try to post at a particular time which boosts your engagement. So for this, you should post at a similar time each and every single day, or if you want to post only 3 times a week, for example me, I only post 2 to 3 times a week because I think this will be good for me for the long term. So I post during the times from 10 to 11 a.m. when people will be most active. This plays a huge role, because if your audience is not active at that time and people are not engaging with your posts, and LinkedIn will not push your post to other people, and your engagement and your impressions will get a lot of low amount of reach. So the third and the most crucial point you must remember is that in order for people to engage with your account, you also need to engage with your account, and you need to show your presence to your community. So in order to do that, what you need to do before posting, you need to be active on LinkedIn 30 minutes before posting, and you need to comment in other people's profiles and other people's posts. And after you have posted your own post, you have to be active for another 30 minutes or 1 hour, because when other people are posting on your comment, you should be apt to respond to their comments as well. To summarize, you only need 3 things to grow on LinkedIn and have a great amount of impressions per post. Number 1, you should have like-minded people in your community through which you can engage and have spread value all over. Number 2, you need to post at specific times. And number 3, you need to be active in LinkedIn and comment on posts before 30 minutes before posting and after 30 minutes of posting. One thing which you need to remember is that I'm continuously rambling about the point of commenting. Now remember, I do not mean to imply that you have to comment in each and every single post which you see, because it will take a toll on you. And also you should comment things which are authentic and genuine. I'm going to show you 2 or 3 comments in which I post, and you will be able to understand how you should also comment, which is looks authentic and genuine. So here's a post from Disha. So I commented that, Disha, I keep telling myself the same thing every day. Growth is important, but not at the cost of your peace, which is why I always stick to a schedule of posting 3 times a week, something which I believe I can do for a prolonged period of time, and one that does not lead to burnout. So what you see in this post is that I'm not buttering anyone with my comments like, wow, you're creating great posts, it has changed my life, things like that. People know when you're buttering them. So refrain from these sort of comments and comment in such a way which provides meaning to your community. I'll show you another example which will help you more understand the way you should comment, and which helps me create a good bond with my community. So in this post of Renuka, she is trying to say has created a post which talks about what coaches as business owners should do. So it has a quite long post, so you need to read all the content of a post and then you should comment. So I wrote that it is often undermined or undervalued the concept of being market fit. The product you're selling should be market fit, implying that knowing and continuously taking feedback from your audience to shape up your product and offerings. Valuing customers over everything else is key to sustainability in any industry. So you can clearly see that my comments are providing value to the community, and my comments are being pushed as well. So there are many people who are sending me follow requests or connection requests because they're seeing my contents on other creators' posts, and this builds a chain of a community, which in the end helps me be more known in the community and build my own personal brand.